Alright guys, today I'm going to show you some tricks and tips you can do with command prompt. Um, Most people don't know a lot of things that you can do with command prompt. I mean, you may think you know, oh, I can do this and this, but did you know about this, this, and this? So today I'm going to show you some different things that you can do. You can basically open any program on your um, computer through command prompt. For example, if I wanted to open Cane Enable, but I didn't want to have an icon for it, I could simply right-click on it, and then I could get this menu and click on Properties. And now this is going to come up and see this target right here. I'm going to copy and paste this, and you can put this in a notepad file or something like that and save it so that you have this, but you don't have to have an icon, and Cane can only be in your program files, and it doesn't have to be anywhere else. So if they look for it in my documents or desktop, they won't find it, but you can still run it. You can just go put this in command prompt, and the program should start right up. So now if you're on a school computer, command prompt may be blocked. They may not let you access command prompt. But if you can, go to Start and click Run, and then type in CMD, and that should work to open command prompt. Click OK, and there you go. Now, a few housekeeping things about command prompt. You can right-click on the bar up here at the top, click Properties, and then you have these options to change the background, the text, etc. You can make a command prompt full screen if you want, which can lead to some other coding and stuff, but I'm not going to get into that in this video. So I made the background white and the text black, just like this. Now, you're going to want to find out if your computer is being monitored. If you're at school, you're going to want to find out if it's being monitored or not, like if the teacher can see your screen on her screen, which is very easy to get rid of. If this is the case, you're going to want to go to Control Panel. Now, Control Panel may also be blocked on your school computers, so you can access that from command prompt. Just type in the word Control, and it should start right up, just like this. Now you're going to go to Add or Remove Programs, and then search for programs called, the popular one is LAN School, L-A-N School, or maybe a School Monitoring, or School Monitoring Security, and you're going to want to remove that program. Simple as that. Then they can no longer see your screen. Okay, and then the popular thing that everyone wants to know how to do is they want to know how to shut down another computer from their own. If you're on the same room, like in a computer lab at school, etc. You actually don't even have to be in the same room at school. Like if you have two computer labs, you can shut down computers in the other computer lab if they're on the same network. What you're going to want to do is, if you've opened command prompt, you've gotten rid of the monitoring and the security, you can go here and type in Shutdown space dash I or minus I and hit enter. Now this remote dialog shutdown is going to come up. You can, when you're at school, you can hit browse right here, and it'll let you choose the computer that you want to shut down, and you can either shut it down, or restart it, or log off. And you can warn the user of the action. It displays the warning for how many seconds, etc., etc. So that's how you do that. Now, Before you do that, I have a suggestion for you. You can type in net space user, net space user, and then, net space user, and hit enter. Now, the whole list, if you're at school, like schools by me, this list will take up, it'll keep going down and down and down because there's so many computers there. You got all the office computers, you got all the computer labs, etc. They will all be listed here with their name. So at the school that I was at, to see this, they were listed by room number and teacher, and so you could identify which computer is which by the number and the room that it was in. So this will be helpful for that. Some other tricks and tips you can do with command prompt. I know this is really pointless, but you can change the date. Just type in date, D-A-T-E, for those of you that don't know how to spell, and then type that in there if you want. You can also do the time, type in time, hit enter. There you go. You can open My Documents or Windows Explorer, not Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer, from command prompt simply by typing in the word Explorer. That will open up My Documents. You can access pretty much anything from this window right here. You can go to your C drive, you can go to program files, you can go to downloads, you can go to my computer, you can pretty much go anywhere you want. You can get your computer's IP address and then go to a different computer. Say it's the first day of school and you sit at a computer, but the next day you're going to have assigned computers. So what you would do is you would type in IP config, C-O-N-F-I-G, and then it's going to like that, and you're going to hit enter, and you're going to hit enter on IP config, and your IP address, your subnet mask, your default gateway, those will all come up. It'll tell you your IP address. Then what you can do is, if you want to, you can write that down, and then if you go to another computer, what you can do is you can go to Shutdown, -I, enter, remote shutdown dialog, add, and then add computers. You could paste the IP address right there. That's about it. If I think of some other stuff, I will let you guys know. Thanks for watching. This is a Blade and Shield design video.